Hello sir, hello ma'am. My name is Gauri Rakesh Bendre. Today's session I we have discussed about what is the SDLC models in the SDLC models means software development life cycle. So in the if we created any web application, any software system, that time we compulsory follows the SDLC life cycle, SDLC life cycle stages. So let us discuss about it one by one. SDLC life cycle stages. First is analysis. In the analysis, we are compulsory in the first stages. In the analysis, we are compulsory write analysis, that is designing, planning. Analysis means planning. If we create any software, that time we compulsory first planning. So how to complete the customer requirement and not interrupted at the time of the users, at the time of the user. So it is user can be easily use the any software. Second stage is designing defining at the in the after we analysis, that means if we decide the any planning of the web application, then next stage is defining. At that time of the defining, we compulsory know that what is the requirement of the customer and how to handle one by one. And we are compulsory take a guidance to the senior managers and senior systems. So after defining the our web application, then next stage is a designing. At the time of the designing, we are write the code for the our application in the source code format. So if and complete the all the requirement to the complete the all the requirement to the complete the all the requirement to the customer one by one. Then after the designing our web application, then we are take a after defining the web application, then next stage is a testing. If we designing coding is completed, that next stage is a testing. In the testing, we are complete the we are testing. At the time of the testing, we are ra- we are take all the inputs and gets output is properly. So that means if we not get any exception or any error message, that time it is testing is uh, successfully. Then after the testing, the next stage is a deployment. Yeah, at the deployment, uh, uh, if we testing the any web application, then the next stage is a deployment. Means not any debug and error message. That means our code is debugging, no any interrupted message at the use of the using time. So after the deployment, we are find that is find the maintenance of the software. So what is the price decided to be software. So it is a SDLC model. The SDLC model is a very important to the creation of the any software, and follows this stages compulsory. Thank you sir, thank you ma'am.